When we decided to purchase our new home, the layout of the home was the most important piece. The kitchen that needed renovating was an opportunity for us to design from scratch. As a real estate agent, I recognized the value that a new kitchen can add to a home, and so it was important to us to have a kitchen that was going to be easy to resell this home at some point in the future and something that was going to be timeless. One of the things I really like when I travel is going into some of the bars, maybe in restaurants in Chicago or New York. One of the things that I commonly see is the Carrara marble on top of the counters. And it's just such a timeless classic look. I really decided that was the best fit for us. We went to Builder Surplus and decided to design it from scratch using the 3D software that they provided, and then give them sort of the specs of what we were looking for, come back and then pick out the finishes that we wanted to go with that. Working with the salesperson on the floor all the way to the installation, everyone was pleasant to work with. Our experience with the installation was fantastic. Whenever we ran into problems, they had solutions ready to go. I would recommend Builder Surplus to anyone. As a matter of fact, I've already recommended them to other clients of mine.